Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your sign-up forms and make them more aligned with your brand's voice. Whether you want to change subscribe to sign up, join now, or anything else that resonates with your audience. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This is where all your email marketing magic happens, so make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple ones. After logging in, look to the left-hand menu and select Audience. This section is where you manage all your subscriber lists and their settings. From here, click on the Audience Dashboard drop-down menu, then select Manage Audience. A second drop-down menu will appear, and from there choose Sign-up Forms. This is the area where you can create and customize all the forms your audience uses to subscribe to your list. Next, click on Create New Form located at the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt you to choose the type of sign-up form you want to create. You'll see options like embedded forms, pop-up forms, or landing pages. Select the one that best fits your needs. Each type serves a different purpose, so pick what works best for where you plan to display your form. Now, add your form's name and click Continue to Builder. You'll be presented with a selection of templates to choose from. Pick one that aligns with your design preferences. Once selected, you can customize your form by adding or removing fields using the form builder. You might include fields like email address, first name, or any other information you want to collect from your subscribers. Once you're on the page editor, locate the button you want to rename. Hover your cursor over it and click the pen icon. This opens the Edit and Customize button menu. The Object Customization menu will pop up on the right side panel of your screen. Scroll down until you find the field labeled Button Text. In the field below it, you'll see the default text, Subscribe. Simply change this to any word or phrase you prefer, such as Sign Up, Join Us, or Get Started. After you've renamed the button, click Save and Close at the bottom of your screen. And that's it, you've successfully changed the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp, giving your sign-up form a more personalized and engaging touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.